Hello student, today we will discuss our list in the HTML. So before the starting we will open our text editor Notepad purpose. You can use Notepad. Okay. So we will create a new file. We will go to the file and click on the open, and after the open we will select the location where you want to save your file. For example, I'm selecting the desktop and give the file name. I'm giving the file name list.html. List.html. We will save the file, and is asking how the list.html file not found. Check the file name and try again. Where I checking the file. Wait, file. We will new. Okay, in the new, then we can save the file. Save as desktop with changing the name as a list.html. Okay, then the file is saved. Before going to start, we will type the basic structure of HTML. As you know how the basic structure. First we will enter the HTML, then head, then we enter the title, then the title name, for example using list, and we will enclosing the title. Okay, we closing the title and closing the head and starting the body. The main function is a body because web page start from the body. Okay, so the body is a very important. Then in the we are everything type in the body and the head. The main components or main tags of the you can the core, the body and head, but the HTMLs and the title is a compulsory, but main head is a head and the body are mandatories. Okay, so before going to start the list, I'm showing the example of list. First, I'm opening the Word application. uh, I'm opening the application, then in it I'm showing you what is list. For example, I'm entering the name ABCJKL HIJMNO like this. If I select this and go to the our paragraph and select the list, for example 1 2 3 and the 4 5, this is ordered. Okay, it may be serial number. It you can start as a, you can also mention as a roll number. Okay, we will discuss in the this part. First we will discuss our order list. In the HTML we have a mainly three type of list: order list, unorder list and definition list. And you can combine one more list. It is known as a nested list. Okay, we will discuss one by one, and we will start with the our order list. Today we will start with our order list. In the body we will use tag name means OL means order list. Then we will components LI, for example I'm giving the pen, then second giving the pencil, then giving the name chalk, and giving the name marker, then next name giving and copy, then order list closed. The order list from start from the OL order list and close with the close order list, and in between we will use our attribute li to define the item of the list. Li means list. Okay, we will save the file with help of Control S. We will now go to the desktop to check the file's output. We will click on the list HTML, then it will show as a list. So before going to start the again, we will open the file our list. So you can check this is our list 1 2 3 4 5 list. And in the list you can change the type of the order. For example, here we using the 1 2 3 4. You can start from the ABC. So we will use the attribute type, and in the type I will use A. So it will start from the A. It will A B C D like this. And you can also convert in the small a, then list will start from the small a b c d e like this. We can convert in the Romans, like if we want to convert in the Roman, that you convert in the Romans like 1 2 3 4 5, and you can again is a you can say in the capital Romans, it also convert in the capital Romans. Okay. And for example, you want to start your list from the 10 number, 5 number, 6 number. We can change the list with, we will give the attribute start. For example, I want to start my list from the 5. So it will start from the 5. Okay, I'm giving the type 1. Then we can check the file. It starts from the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. Okay. And if you want to print the list in the reversed order, mean like this 5 10 9 8 7 like this, we can reverse the our list, the worst. Okay, then you can check it will like a 5 4 3 2 1, it is a reversed. This is the only order list. The n attribute type start. Okay, the start attribute we will use the like the value of start. You know about the start. For example, I'm starting from the 6, it will goes up to the 6 because it is a 6 5 4 3 2. Why is a up to 2? Because we will starting from the 6, we have only 5 elements. Okay, it will go to the reversed order because we define the attributes reversed in this. Okay, so this is our order list, and we can use some CSS on it. We can change the color of the list. Okay, we can change the background color of the list. We can implement hover. If I move the mouse, then it will change the color. How we can do it like this? We will go to the our head part, and this is known as a internal CSS, cascading style sheet. Style close, and I will type the like I'm using the order list, so I will type OL, then curly bracket open and close. In the curly bracket open and close, we will use first we change the color of the list. I'm using color, I'm giving the green, so it will change the color of the list. So see, you can see there's a color of the list changed. We can change the background color of the list. We can type the background color. I'm giving the color as a black. Okay, so we can change as the black. So we'll save the file. We can check the background to see. You can see this is the background of the list, the change color. And we can align also. I'm using the text align. We can go to the center. Okay, the list is now in the center. Okay, so how we can change the background color when we move the mouse over the list? So we will check. We will use OL, the colon. As I was using hover, and in the hover curly bracket open close, and we will use background color. Background color I'm changing the as a yellow. Okay, Control S Alt F. If I move the mouse on the list, it will change the color. This is the enough for today. The topic of the today is a list. We done the order list. Okay, the with the order list start from the order ol tag, and for the define the list, so we can use li tag. Okay, like a pen, it come in the li, then pencil li. Okay, so this is the li means list. We're defining the type of list, order list. Okay, and then in with the we are using the attribute is, you can change the type like this, alphabet, Roman, numerical. Okay, and we can start from the list where you want to start from list, like a 6 5 300, like this. You can start from the 100 also. And if you want to print your list in the reversed order, you can use the attribute reversed. Okay, and after this we will use our style, cascading style sheet. Change the color of the list, background of the list, and the alignment of the list. We can change more over more things in it, but according to your syllabus we have only this type of things. And we are used ol hover means when you move the mouse on object, it will active any particular things. Like this background color yellow, we can change the color also. If I apply the color, I'm using the color white. Okay, if I move the mouse over the it, then see, you can see the background color is a yellow and color is a white. Thank you.